Mm-hmm.
Write HTML and CSS on one page that creates a nice blog, no, nice landing page for a fitness
Oh snap! Y'all just give me an idea.
group
Oh snap!
named what is it what is it, Fuchsia?
Virtual fitness group.
Virtual bitch, yeah, virtual group. All right, then we're gonna take this code. You said you got an idea for it, Biggie Pauls.
Yeah, some things
Mm-hmm.
I wanna test out.
So there we
Mm.
go. So I just paste this code in here. This is the code that it gave.
That's how I used to do HTML back in the day.
Mm-hmm.
Notepad.
Notepad,
Good
yeah.
old fashioned
Notepad,
notepad.
yeah.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Um,
Mm.
yeah, man. You see they got rid of WordPad.
Nice.
Oh yeah, yeah. WordPad
Word,
gone. Yep.
it got
Mm-hmm.
sunsetted.
Yep. Got sunset it. So
Yeah.
you see it don't have any images in here,
Yeah.
but it's got the text.
Mm-hmm.
And so and then you could, we could say
What you know? I
make
missed
it
everything you just did. Oh
include
snap! Okay.
Oh, he
a
just copied the
section
HTML and then
about
launched it.
a
Oh
trainer
man.
named
Mm-mm.
and see how it's
I
making
see
the
it there.
update.
Yeah, I seen
Yeah,
that.
it's
Yeah.
making the changes right there. And
Mm-hmm.
so then we just
Oh,
go
this
ahead
is
and
sick.
copy.
So I can use this to generate my the code, the HTML code for my chatbot.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
You put it in Notepad. You pasted that code in
Look,
Notepad.
see?
That is crazy. Oh
So
my god!
so
I'm
then
about to go. Okay.
Fuchsia, what you could do is then you could actually launch Dolly
Mm-hmm.
and
Yeah.
generate
And
all
generate my
your
own images. Yeah.
Yeah,
absolutely.
yeah.
Mm.
That's sick.
Generate. Or yeah, you could use Dolly
Wow.
or you could use ChatGPT because we could also tell him we could come out of this canvas and we can say, please
This is just crazy.
Oh, generate virtual reality images or individuals with
see, and there you
virtual
go.
reality headsets. Oh my god.
But you just can't generate the image in that canvas.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that canvas is
Mhm.
only what's in there.
What's in
Yeah.
there. But then you can, but see, look, then you can click this and then it opens up in somewhat of a canvas because then you've got your selection tool and then you can,
Oh shit.
do stuff in here that you
But
want to do.
then there's no way to add that image to
I didn't know you
Oh
could do
my
that. I didn't know you
Well,
could
god.
edit
here's
the
how you
image
would do
like
that. Let me
that.
show you how you would do that. This is how you would do that.
Oh
So, like, watch
snap.
this. So, I'm gonna save this image. Now, let's come in here and we're gonna tell it. So, I've saved the image in a folder named.
yeah, that I don't
No, it's
like
not.
that.
And no, 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 no,
No.
no. That
He's just
You spell
giving it a
I'm
fuchsia.
just
folder.
telling it
You
the
spell
door.
fuchsia wrong.
Is
Yeah.
it Fushina?
Okay.
He
I'm just
spelled it
telling it
wrong.
where
He
it's
spelled it
at.
wrong.
But it's gonna update if you look at the code, those are where you see URL, those are references.
Right.
FUSHIA.
Yeah.
I saved the image in a folder.
Yeah, he got it right there.
Please replace all URLs with the local reference to it.
Interesting.
See?
Okay.
So it's gonna
Oh
update.
my god.
All right.
Now I
So
ain't got,
now,
that'll take me a
If you
minute to figure
refresh
all
it,
that
now
out.
you
I'll
refresh
copy
it.
Now
this.
it's going to use the same picture for everything, though.
Yep,
Right?
yep,
Correct.
yep, correct.
Yeah, it's just a
But I'm just
example.
doing that to demonstrate. There we go.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Oh,
This is
wow.
okay. I'm about. Oh,
That's
Yeah,
god.
this is
crazy.
dope. This is dope.
It is. It really is.